So can you just tell me about your experience when you were told you needed to have a biopsy and how that all happened?
I certainly can. It was about 3 or 4 weeks ago. I went for a bilateral ultrasound with my regular doctor, which I've been doing over the last few years instead of mammograms. Donna has been such a strong advocate for me in terms of that, and so I went for the bilateral ultrasound, and they came back with, they had found something on my right breast, and they thought it was either a cyst or it was cancerous, and they recommended straight away a biopsy. And so that didn't sit right with me, and I called Donna straight away, and she highly recommended Dr. Kelly, who she has known for many years, who has this wonderful technology called SonoCiné, and it's a very, very thorough exam of multiple photos of your breast, and it's like a live sound movie of your whole breast examination. And it was so incredible to see Dr. Kelly and to feel his passion to wanting to help women, and just knowing that I was in good hands. And I spent about 30 to 45 minutes with him after reviewing the movie and the video and him explaining everything. And I was so relieved to know that it was just fatty tissue. And he said, you can just put that aside now and you can go forward now and continue with your life. And I just was like, thank you, thank you, thank you. I said, I just wish more women knew about you and could come to you and just feel that peace of mind that I felt after I left there. Couldn't put even a price on it. I just was so excited. I was so elated. And Donna was the first one I called, and she said, oh, I'm so happy to hear that. And it's just sometimes with mammograms and with ultrasounds, it's just been like 1 year. In 2 years, I had 4 ultrasounds, mammograms, because they said, we see something, we need you to come back. And then they said, oh, you're fine. So I did 4 mammograms in 2 years, and I just did not want to do that anymore. So I feel like I found something now that I can trust. It's just non-invasive. It just is wonderful.
And did he tell you you have dense breast tissue?
Oh yeah, he told me there's 2 types of breast tissue, dense and fatty, and I was in the middle. So that's why with the mammograms, they had to always call me back, because I had the dense part they could not see through there. And he can see everything here. And it's the most thorough exam I've ever had. And I felt completely confident with him. And I highly recommend him to every single woman on this planet, because you will feel so at peace knowing that you won't be second guessing when you leave there. You'll just know I am fine. And it's just the most incredible feeling.
Thanks.